Hola, hola, mis amores! Welcome back to my channel. Today the look is going to be a nice pinky rosy look. I am going to go for a nice shimmery look all over my face, my eyes, and I'm using new products that I got in today. So I'm really excited to try this out. It's the first time I'm trying them out on my face. It's the first time I'm showing you guys these products. So I'm excited! Yay! So let's start off because I'm very excited to start off with these products. I am going to prime my face using the MAC primer. So on clean hands, after that I'm going to prime all over my face. Here on my neck. After I prime my face, I'm going to go in with my Artistry Longwear foundation in the color natural. I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3 dabs because I like a full face coverage. And I'm gonna go in with the illuminating cream. One thing I like about this illuminating cream, it has a SPF of 50. So, girl, with the sun, I need my SPF on my face. You know what I mean? I'm going to go in. I'm going to blend. And then I'm going to go in all over my face. On my nose. On my eyes. On my forehead. On my neck. Today I look like a goose. The goose from Anna Bass. And Anna present will come back very soon. I don't know why I just. After that, I go in with the Artistry. Look how beautiful that looks. Look. It's the loose powder. And I just go where I really want it today. I'm gonna go underneath my eyes. On my nose. I clean my shirt off. And sorry. And I blend. I have to fix my imperfections. And then after that, voila, I am done. No jokes. I am not done. After that, I go in, what do I want to do? Oh, yes. This is one of the newer products we got in today. It's the Artistry. You guys know that I usually use the other one. But today I'm using Kimono Coral. And I just figured this out. It has an open and a lock. Open and lock. And you just go and I go in with Kimono Coral. I go in my cheek. I do the duck face. And after that, I look it. And I just blend. And voila. This is how kimono color looks today. And then I go in with this new one that I'm going to be trying on today. It's called, look how cute these containers, look how cute the packaging is. Like, look how adorbs this packaging is. It's like so adorbs. And the color I'm using it today, it's called, it's the same packaging. Don't worry, look, it's the same packaging. It's called Urban Safari. So we're gonna open it. Voila! Look how beautiful this is. Like, look, it's so beautiful. And then I'm just gonna go in today with this pinkish look and all over. And the other eye. Then I go in with the other eye. And I just realized that to take more product out, you just close it. Voila! You have more products. And you just go in with your eyes. After that, I go in with my little blending brush. If you know I like to blend. Blend, blend, blend. Blend, blend, blend. Then I go in with the brown color. Under my waterline. And then I go on top. Like this. If you could tell, like this. This is how it looks. Then I go in with the Artistry highlighting kit. And, sorry, I always drop stuff. I always do. Like, I think I need a bigger table. I really do. Then I go in with my highlighting brush. And I pick this up. And I highlight the temple, my cheekbones. Not the temples, my cheekbones. Then I highlight my other cheekbone. I highlight it again. I highlight again. And then voila. Voila. I like saying voila a lot. Then I go in my teardrop with the white color. And everything I'm using today is Artistry, except my primer. My primer is MAC, but everything else I'm using is Artistry today. I want to show you guys that Artistry does work. The Artistry is beautiful, and the Artistry looks good. And it's an amazing brand in quality, like in the quality. Sorry about that, guys. And the quality is amazing. Look, after that, oh wait, no, I'm still not done. Oh no. I go into my, under my brow bone, and I blend. Blend. And I blend. And then, voila. Then I go in with my eyeliner, the Artistry Longwear. Sorry, I said I just need to do my eyeliner quietly, because I don't like it thick. Sometimes I do, but majority of the times I don't. And that is how it looks. My eyeliner looks. Then I go in and I prime my eyelashes. And I go in with the mascara. The small version of it. Got some on my nose. I cleaned that up. You see, that's why I always leave a little bit on my forehead, because then I could go in and I could apply and fix it. After that, I go in with the longer version of the mascara, the wand. And that's how it looks. And then today, I'm trying the Artistry Lip Gloss lipstick. Look how cute the packaging is. Look, look. It's called Artistry Liquid Lip Color. And the color that I'm using today is called Notre Dame Nude. Ooh. I'm so excited. I feel like a little kid in a candy shop right now. That's how I feel. It's this color. I think I got too much. And this is the color I look today. What do you guys think? It's beautiful. I feel beautiful. I feel fabulous. And I feel awesome. Like today I feel like, thank you. Thank you. And the reason I put this little clip on my hair was to remove it off my face when I was doing my makeup. But they're so small that I can not always remove them. My hair. The struggle is real, guys. The struggle is real. Look. Then I do my hair. And voila. These are my natural curls. And this is how I look. Guys, click the little bell button, subscribe, and let me know what you guys think. Adios, mis amores, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Ciao.